Okay, you want some shortcuts for navigating between sheets in Microsoft Excel. Right-click down here between these two navigation buttons and you'll get a list of sheet names. Select the sheet name, click on OK, and it will navigate to that sheet. In newer versions of Excel, you can also go to the View tab on the ribbon, click on the navigation button, and that will also give you a list of sheet names down the right of your screen. Select a sheet name and it will navigate to it. Another thing you can do is use shortcut keys. So what you do is you hold down the Control key and you use the page down key to move right along the sheet names. And to move left across the sheet names, you use the page up key. So that's Control, page down or page up. Now, if it's a particular sheet that you often find yourself navigating to, so let's say that's Southampton, what you can do is select that sheet, then click in any cell in that sheet. So I'll select cell A1 and then give that cell a name. And you can do that up here in the name box. So I'll just type Southampton up here, press enter. And then if I go to another sheet and I want to quickly navigate to that Southampton sheet, all I do is click on this little drop down in the name box, click on Southampton, and it'll jump back to that sheet. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.